which has not been opposed. I allow the same as said. I also discharge the accused surety and order that the security in court to be released back to him, and the matter is marked as closed.
Ms. Ann Mwangi. I am here representing the lawyers who are representing Governor Mike Sonko. We are very happy today because justice has been served. This was a very malicious case that was instigated by the previous administration, but we are happy that today justice has been served.
I have nothing to comment. I just thank God and thank the judiciary. I've been acquitted. I think I don't have anything to comment.
Na murorori witu kwa ihinda riri gukorwo ngikiriria